Welcome back, guys. Let's make a pot of catfish pepper soup with plantain. Okay, stay tuned. So yummy, is yummy. First thing first, we'll start by washing our catfish with cold water. Then after that, we'll go in with the salt and hot water. You know, the catfish is always slimy, so to remove those sliminess, you pour it salt. Use salt to to rub it, followed by hot water. That way it will help to remove those sliminess. So after that, you use a knife to scrape it off, then wash it again, and we're good to go. In here is our ogbonge ingredients for this pepper soup. We have pepper soup spice, we have uhokiriho, that is edien fruits. We have utazi, we have onions, we have fresh pepper, we have Cameroon pepper, we have plantain, we have nut cubes, and we have salt to taste. First and first, make sure that your plantain is well peeled and thoroughly washed. You go in by a fresh pepper. You just add everything, all the ingredients. Just add everything. This uhokiriho edien fruit, it has a very wonderful sweet flavor that it gives to your pepper soup. This is just this is pepper soup spice, is raw, is a mixed pepper soup spice. So we go in by other things. After that, we top it up with cup of water. Add the onions, add the plantain, add everything except the carrots and the utazi leaf. Then cover it and begin to cook. This is semi-ripe plantain. It's not fully ripe. It's not unripe and it's not fully ripe. So here we are. Pour your water, cover to cook until your catfish is fully cooked. At this point, we need to add the carrots. Check and taste for salt. Whether to add more seasoning to it. Whether to add more water to it. Our catfish is already getting tender. Now put the carrots and cover to cook for like extra 3 minutes. Oh my god, can you feel the goodness? Our catfish is already tender and we're topping it up with the utazi leaf. So we are done cooking. Yes, we are done cooking. Our catfish pepper soup and with plantain is ready. Go get your spoon and join me. Please, if you like my video, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. If you're coming across my video for the first time, kindly click the right subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notification whenever you upload a new video. Thank you for watching. To my fans, you guys are the best. You guys rocks. Do well to tell me where you're watching me from so I can send you a hug. Thank you for always watching my content. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah, so catfish pepper soup with plantain is ready, so it's time for tasting. Bring your spoon, let's taste it. Look at that beauty. As it's looking so yummy, so it tastes so yummy. Thank you for watching.